me. I'm 57 years old. I look like a spaghetti, eh? But I got power, you know what I mean? I'm an Indian, you know? I'm an Indian. You know what an Indian is? You know? We got everything in South America. You want to smoke marijuana, we have it. You like cocaine, we have it too. You got the wine, we got the coke, but together we can get high. Don't get high, okay? Never get high. You know what I mean? You like we Indians do.